My dad booked this trip so that we could spend some time together. We've always talked about doing the West Highland Way. After such a hard year of lockdowns and not being able to see each other, this was just the perfect time to go for it. The Scottish Highlands are incredible. I loved the scenery changing every day, from starting at Loch Lomond and walking up into the Highlands where we're surrounded by hills and moors. It was just amazing. My dad does a lot more walking than I do, and for once I'm really glad I listened to him by bringing my walking poles and midgie repellent. I was slightly worried that the trip was going to be too challenging for me, but Max Adventure recommended a trip that was the right amount of walking for both of our fitness levels. Max Adventure organised the luggage transfers for us, which was just great. It means that you don't have to carry all your luggage between the hotels and you can just walk with a day pack. I honestly think I got to know my dad so much better than I ever have before by doing this trip. There's nothing like completing a challenge and creating some memories together. We loved it.